Welcome back to RC Mag Controllers, guys, and today we are going to be doing the unboxing of the Audi Quattro that we bought from E-Models in Stoke-on-Trent. So we're going to get straight into it, we're not going to waste any time. A lot of people know the tt02 chassis, which is what the Audi is based on. So we're just going to go through it and have a little bit of a chat, and any comments you want to post on there, stick them on, and we'll go from there. As you can see there, we've got the decaled Audi Quattro tt02 chassis, shaft driven as well. Now the shaft that you get with it is plastic. You can do a lot of upgrades on this chassis, a lot of aluminium parts and hop-ups that you can get. We are going to be doing the hop-ups ourselves. We're aiming to get this up to 3S hopefully, once all the hop-ups are installed. We're going to be putting decent ESC and decent motor in there hopefully, but we've got to build it first, and we are going to be doing a couple of different series for this. So obviously the first one today is the unboxing and doing a little bit of an initial look at the car out of the box, and then we'll if you keep tuned, subscribe. So we're going to get it open. Let's have a nosy.
Is that down there?
So straight out of the box, what have we got? So
It's got the motor, looks like suspension, springs in there.
So all the parts for your chassis basically. It's the bag with all your chassis bits in it. We're not going to be using that motor. We're not even going to bother installing it. I'm sure it's okay, but we're not going to install it. I just noticed that is that a cover on that motor?
Could well be. It's a higher torque motor as well apparently.
On the shaft there, is that? Oh yeah, it's like a rubber protector that goes over. I thought that was an extremely large bore shaft on that then, but it's not.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Plus we've got the spoiler in this one, which is, it's not bad actually, that's quite hard plastic.
Yeah, it's quite tough.
There's no flex in that really. Looks like you got the lights in there as well. So
we're going to be getting the LED pack. You can do like a hop-up option where you can install all the LED lights and stuff, and you can even have it so that when you pull back on the brake lights activate and stuff. You can get indicators. A lot of you out there already know this, but you know, the world's your oyster really. You can pick sort of what you want, but we're going to try and put the headlights in all of them, and hopefully it'll give it quite a nice little effect.
Good for a night race. ESC, which again we're probably not going to be using that, are we?
No,
so
probably won't even come out of the packet that.
Onto one side really. Not much to that. And
the body. Let's get this out of the way for a second.
Obviously clear, needs painting, needs cutting out. Actually looks really cool. I like this.
Lots of straight lines. It's going to be very easy to put the decals on. One thing I've just noticed, the wheel arches are pre-cut for you. So we'll just, as you can see there, Jonathan just pulls it out, you can see the wheel arches are pre-cut there for you. So that makes it nice and easy.
Looking at the front,
got the Audi there where the decal will fit in, if you can see that, just there. I know you have to spray the grille black separately, and there are a few other bits that you have to spray black so the decals show out on it, but it's a really nice looking body, very authentic looking, looks exactly like the Audi Quattro of its day. I know they've got I think these are the holes, I don't know if you can see them there, for the in fact I think you can, oh no sorry, that's a lie, I think those are for the spoiler, and then up here, I don't know if you can just about see those, they're for the
shock mounts.
The posts, body posts. I'll get it out then. And on the front, you've got four.
2, 3 and 4.
Yeah. Which obviously you can choose where you put them. I think on the front we'll end up right near the front bumper, so we'll put our set ours further back.
It's good.
So yeah, it's a really nice looking body. Looking forward to spraying that and getting it looking tip top. But even the headlights in the front there, in the manual, it tells you to mask them out, so you can put the headlights behind it. And obviously we've also got the spotlights in front, which we're hoping to put lights in. And then obviously the tail lights as well. It should look pretty sweet once it's done. Do a bit of nighttime racing, I reckon.
Yeah. Do some rallying, proper rallying.
What else we got in the box, dude?
Look at that. It's all chrome parts they got, don't they?
So that's the
all the headlights.
Yeah, that looks pretty sweet, that does. So here it looks like the headlights are already pre-drilled for you to put your hop-up lights in, which is an absolute
You can see that on
godsend.
Close-up of them.
Close-up of them. As you can see in the tail lights, they are already got the holes pre-drilled for the tail lights, and I'm assuming they're the front ones, not too sure. Now these spotlights which go in the grille haven't, but we are intending to put lights in those as well, just for an extra bit of effect. But we'll have to drill those ones out separately.
Well, the easiest thing to do is to basically, this is the rest of the car chassis. They're the actual light covers for the front.
Yeah, I think they are. Are they ridged on both sides? Yeah, they're ridged on both sides.
They look good.
Yeah.
So there's not much point in doing all these ones. There's the chassis, tt02 chassis.
Almost like a little tub chassis, isn't it?
Yeah. It's nice. Tamiya do a good job of that sort of stuff.
Yeah. Very, very solid. The only complaint I would have with this chassis is it's got no flex at all. It's absolutely solid. Now, it swings and roundabouts with that. That could be good. Also could be bad. Got no flex if you're doing any stupid jumps, which most people won't with these cars, but we will. Obviously, we've got to get it up to scratch first. We ain't going to be doing nothing like that till we've got all the hop-up options on it, and it's up to spec. But that's going to be down the line. But yeah, that's a real rigid chassis. That it's going to be good for tarmac racing. You know, the rigidity, so on the handling and stuff and the cornering. But only time will tell. We'll do some testing on it and see how it goes out.
Oh yeah, we will. And everything else is very similar. So it's all strong, hard plastic. So it should all be really quite good, to be fair.
And then we've got the tyres. And the tyres you see on the box are slicks, but these are the tread tyres, which look really good, to be fair. They even got the tyre size on the side: 270, 30, R90s, 93Zs. It'd be interesting if anyone knows out there, is that the tyre that the Audis used to use on the rally cars? I don't know that size. Anyone know? Put a comment in the comment box below. Love the smell of the fresh rubber. It's a bit weird, but
That's nice, isn't it?
love the smell of it.
The hubs as well.
The hubs, very similar to what they used to use, I think.
Yeah. Could always paint them up if we wanted to as well.
Yeah. So just before we go into it, what I'll do is I'll do a quick close up of these. Just. So as you can see there, they're the treads. And as I said before, the tyre size on the side there: 270, 30, radius 19, 93Zs. But yeah, nice looking little tyre. No foam inside. Decision will be made whether we glue them or put foam in there or not as we go along. We're not quite sure what we're going to do with them yet, but we'll figure that out as we go along.
Right, last thing we've got in here is the front bumper. Is this what's this made out of now? Neoprene.
Is it neoprene?
I think it says on the box neoprene. It's quite solid. It's not bad.
Just take those impacts if you're doing any proper racing,
Yeah.
toe to toe in the car. Quite like them.
That's basically it, really, isn't it?
Yeah, it's basically it.
Obviously, you've got the instructions, and the decal should be in there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've got the instructions for where all the decals go and how to paint it.
Yeah, it's well worth having a look at that, guys, because that will help you with the getting it right and making sure it looks as authentic as possible, you know, looks how it should be. The worst thing you want is to start spraying it and you get it wrong and it looks a mess. Take your time with it, go through the instructions step by step, and you'll get it looking as it is on the box, which is what people want. I think we're going to change a few little details on it, which we'll keep to ourselves, but keep an eye on the channel. But that'll come, you'll see in time with that. It does say on here, the other thing I noticed was, although the arches are pre-cut, it does show on here a blade cutting the arches, which you don't need because it's already done. You just need to cut along the base. Now, as we said before, because it's such straight lines, it's going to be very easy to cut out. It's just making sure we take our time with it. If you've got craft knife, I would advise you use a craft knife for some of it, for the more intricate parts.
It's not the thickest stuff in the world, it's pretty flimsy stuff, so it should be easy to cut, really.
Should be.
We'll find out. And then last but not least is the instruction manual. Again, picture on the front. And it all looks straightforward and simple to do.
Yeah, they are very, you know, a lot of
instructions.
people use these instructions, so these cars, the tt02 chassis, so there's lots of information out there now to build these cars, so it should be fairly easy. We've got the stickers, we'll get you a close-up of them in a second. You've even got your window masks, which is really good, save you getting masking tape out and trying to cut it intricately around, you know, so you get a perfect shape. Again, we'll get a close-up for you in a second of that. And then we've got the stickers, which do look really, really cool.
It does look really good down.
I'm really looking forward to popping this together. So we'll just do a quick close-up for you of these. So there we go. They're the stickers for you. Just a quick, brief look. And then there you can see at the end in the yellow, they're the window masks for you. So that is a very quick overview. A lot of people are using the tt02 chassis. We don't need to go too much into detail. We are going to be doing a build series. It's going to be a full-length video, so it's going to be quite long. So if you're interested in watching these being built and us two putting it together, please subscribe, hit the bell button, watch the series, follow the series. We've got some really good stuff coming aside from these builds. We can't announce it yet because we've got to be 100% certain that it's coming off before we do announce it, but some really exciting announcements coming, so hopefully you guys will get behind us and support us. But stay tuned, subscribe,
Hit the bell button.
and hit the bell button, and we'll see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching.